Welcome to this guided meditation for inner peace. In this session, we will journey together to a place of serenity and calm within you. Whether you're at home, at your desk, or in a quiet space, allow yourself to settle into comfort. Let go of the day's worries and prepare to embrace tranquility. As you find your seating position, make sure your back is supported and your feet are firmly on the ground. If you're sitting on the floor, rest in a cross-legged position, keeping your back straight. Close your eyes gently, and let's begin this peaceful journey together. Begin by noticing the support beneath you. Feel the chair or the floor cradle your body. Observe the points of contact between you and the surface, and allow your body to become heavy, sinking deeper into relaxation with each breath. Adjust your position slightly to ensure maximum comfort. Let your hands rest softly in your lap, palms facing upwards, receptive to the peace we are cultivating. Now, turn your attention to your shoulders. Gently roll them back and down, creating space in your neck and chest. With a deep inhale, invite relaxation, and with a slow exhale, release any tension you find. Repeat this a few more times, each breath taking you deeper into a state of calm. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling the air cool and refreshing as it fills your lungs. Hold it there for a moment, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing all the air with a whisper-like sound. Continue this pattern, inhaling peace and exhaling stress. Visualize each breath as a wave washing over you, cleansing and renewing your spirit. With every inhale, imagine a wave of light and clarity flowing into you, reaching every corner of your being. With every exhale, picture the darkness of anxiety and unrest being washed away. Let this rhythmic breathing ground you in the present moment, free from the past and future worries. Now, in this state of deep relaxation, imagine a door in front of you. This door represents the gateway to inner peace. When you're ready, visualize yourself walking towards the door. Notice its details, the color, texture, and handle. Place your hand on the handle and gently open the door. As the door swings open, feel a warm, soothing light envelop you. Step into this light and let it permeate through your skin, muscles, and bones. This is the light of peace, calm, gentle, and protective. As you stand in this light, allow it to dissolve any remaining tensions or worries. Within this space, there is nothing for you to do or achieve. You are simply here to be. Breathe in this peace and let it settle in your heart and mind. With each breath, feel more aligned and centered. Let this peace grow within you, filling you with a deep sense of calm and contentment. It's now time to gently close the door behind you, knowing you can return to this peaceful place whenever you wish. Gradually bring your awareness back to the room and the present moment. Notice the chair beneath you, the air around you, and any sounds in the distance. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly. You will likely feel a renewed sense of peace and tranquility. Carry this feeling with you as you continue your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, to nurture your spirit and embrace inner peace.